fish in my aquarium. I feel so blessed because my brother said that when you care about the moving, it's your life also, your daily, this career will be goes up and go, go, go. That's why I take care of, just like my brother. My son also love fish. So, that's it. So, kailangan kong bumili. I need to buy a new big one aquarium. Kasi, smaller yung aquarium kong isa. I need to buy another one. Another one. If the fish die, we'll buy another one. I need to change the water of my fish, but about 2 weeks. Sexy? No, I'm not sexy. Not very sexy, guys. There's something now. I'm out of the almost on the town. My kuya is spending money always, guys, because we don't spend money but not more because we need also to save for the future, but we need to also be happy, not to be always at home, because do something what? No, it's not. They're all in the city. Look at that. This is the city in the Philippines. There you go. Nice shoes, guys, huh? Nice Adidas shoes, which is sponsored by one of my subscribers. Shout out to Sir Russell Roger, the giver of my shoes. Oh, it's so hot. Look at the view over there. We're traveling now, going to the town. Then we have my electric bus. Kunti lang viewers, guys. Init. Kasi wala aircon. Airlaps yung gamit ko. Airlapos-lapos na sa init ng daan. Sobrang init. So, baka makikita nyo fish. Oh my God. There we go, my fish. There we go, my fish. Also get stress. You get stress, ito yung ilalagay ko naman na bago tirahan ng isda. Put this one. That's it.